All right. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Stock Navigator Private Trading Room. Today is September 19, 2019. Let's get started. Yesterday is the fat day. I told you at 11 o'clock, the market it go crazy. Okay. A lot of people they thinking that when the Fed cut the interest rate, that's a good news. So everybody jump in and then buy it and then institution they know exactly what the people out there thinking, and then they push it back up, okay, and then they slam it right into the bottom, right, and then at the end of the day they push it back up, straight up, okay, even higher than in the morning, and then overnight they come back down, and now they climb back up. So the market it seems like they want to go and test the high again. Okay, so we will see today that they will build up the momentum. If they're able to hold it level here, definitely they will go up higher. Okay, but in the daily check, you see that the market did check here, but it's still bullet. Okay, even though yesterday they pulled back down, but you see a lot of buyer they still push it back up. So technically, let's see if they be able to break out the sell zone here because they tested okay a couple of times. If they be able to hold the momentum and with the participate of the other index, you can see that it be able to push it higher and test this zone here. And then we will go day by day to see how they turn out. But definitely it's still bullet. Okay. And let's look at the uh, let let's look at the RTY because a lot of you trading RTY also. So you can see that RTY they hit to the sell zone, but they still not put back down, and then they pull a little bit back down, and then they try to climb back up. So right now, as you can see that right now they go ABC here. So they finished it, four look like they try to break out this area. So they see they downtrend resistance. If they be able to break it, and then they do head it higher. Okay, and that's for the the RTY. For the YM they again they test the sell zone, they pull back down, and now they try to build more momentum to go back and test the sell zone again. Okay, so right now at this moment, we really want to see that all the indices they be able to hold up at this level, so they break out of this level here. As long as they still hold it up, okay, and you can see that the momentum will continue to go higher. Okay, if they don't, then we have to wait for them to pull back a little bit to see what happens before they can take up. That's the way that look like that they all head to the same direction. On the daily chart, you see that they build more momentum to get back there. Hopefully that they will put it back there so you have more bull time for the market. Okay, and look at for the NQ, same thing. NQ they test the sell zone, they pull back, and now okay more buyer coming in. Seems like the institution they hold their position pretty well, and if the Nasdaq go up, a lot of stock like Apple, Amazon, Google, probably they will push it back higher. So right now, so we can see that this is the first test, pull back down. So now one, two, and then we have it one, two, three, four, five. So let's see how far they go. And the next one is the oil. Okay, so the oil right now you can see that the oil uh, they shoot it up on the weekend, go to the top, and then they pull back right into the sell zone. Need to be a support. Now become resistance. Now they back out. They hit to the next sell zone. They pull back. So this one need to be a support. Resistance now become a support. So they still hang in there. Let's see the situation between the in the Middle East to see how they turn out. But so far, I think it's still very calm. Look like they try to do a bay and hit it back up a little bit. Let's see how they turn out. But on the way here, they drop fast here. So right now, before they travel in between this area and this area. So look like right now they are in this area and this area. Okay, so they bouncing back forward between the sell zone and the buy zone here. Okay, so this one used to be a sell zone. Now it's gonna become a buy zone. So you monitor it. If it break out, confirm, they will shoot it back up. And the natural gas, they are losing some momentum right now. As you can see, they come back here, and then in the short term, in the bigger time frame, seem like they do have a little room more. But in the short term, you can see they they go high, they go here, so look like they are in the correction now because the pivot point is still here, the high is still here, so it won't come down unless they break this level here, and then that will be a correction. But at this moment, they are yet a minor correction here. Let's see, they hold up at a up support uptrend line here, okay, and they may come back and hit this area first before they can correct down. So technically, it's still bullet at this moment, but it's just a minor correction. Okay, for the gold is interesting. The gold, the two things that can happen. The gold, in order to get a valid retracement, it should get back to this area. But yesterday, they back up here when the market going down. They should push it back up, but they never be able to break above this level. Okay, and then the market it turn around, go higher. The gold is slammed down to the bottom. Okay, and now they try to pull back to this one here. So we have to see that they first of all, I think that if the market had continued to push it back up, the gold will push it back down again. So technically, I want the gold to pull back to this area, okay, to have a because this move is too far, too fast. We really want them to get back into here, okay, before we can take another go long. So, so in order to do that, you have to be patient. If the market will drop below here and continue to rip down, definitely they will go here. Okay, so that's for the gold. And let me see the bond. The bond until yesterday they push it back up. They go right to the retrade area right now. It seems like they try to losing momentum, and then they can push it back down again. The Bitcoin is still going nowhere. They are still in the retracement area. So yesterday they dropped a little bit, but it's still inside here. So the Bitcoin moved too far from the bottom to the top. So right now they still stuck into this trend right here until they break out of the downtrend line before they can go higher. But in the other hand, in Ethereum it seems like stronger. In Ethereum it have been go here, so look like they will go up and test this area. Okay, if they break out this area, Ethereum will move back up. Okay, and then the last thing, the euro it have been building the bay here. They you see a lot of activity here, a lot of volume they build up here. So if they be able to break out the downtrend line here, definitely the euro will be moving higher in the next couple of weeks here. As you can see right now, it's the euro they bottom out here. They push it back by one, they move with two, so now they talk a new way right now. If they break this area, definitely they will test this area here. If it's a separate workout, they go straight up here. Okay, so that for all the market indices. So in this direction, I think that we will wait until the market open to see where they go. But it seems like everything the way it move right now, that look like they try to break out. Let's see. Okay, so that's what I have for you on the this is all the market index, and let's see where the market open to see where they go, and we will take into consideration after that point.